Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday. I guess it's also Taco Wednesday. Or was that Tuesday? I can't remember. Anyways, so let's continue on from where we left off. And where did we left off on? Well, that is the question as usual. So, yeah, we could see all our drones working. I guess we can work on adding some more miners. Or extractors, should we say? So let's just check our minerals situation here. So the chest looks like they're pretty full here of the process, the ore that we got to process. We got lots of super. Okay, so we were struggling with super last episode. Out of that, iridium. I'm surprised iridium is not doing as well there. I guess we gotta expand uraninite processing even more. Okay. Do I have one or two that's processing that? I think it's two. Ah, jeez. Okay. So, anyways, let's check out what rocket we can craft. I think I want to craft a tier 2 map information rocket. I don't know. I guess it's going to show us some organic stuff, but maybe some minerals. I kind of doubt it though. So let's craft that anyways because we have all the materials. So let's grab our crystal. I think it was the blue crystal. Yeah. Grab a couple zeolite, and we need a rocket. But I turned off auto crafting for rockets. So let's grab a iridium rod, 4 uranium. Oh, was it 2? I can't remember. Let's grab 4 just in case. And was it super or super rods? I can't remember. Yeah, a rocket requires super, so let's grab a super and let's quickly craft that. There we go. So we got rocket. I guess I got too much uranium, so I'm gonna have to put back later. I also need a compass chip. Now, where is it? Where is that compass chip? Oh, there it is. So we gotta craft one of those. Really quickly grab those materials for that. So we gotta grab a couple aluminum, 1 magnesium, and 1 silicone. All right, so we can craft that compass chip for that rocket. And there we go. Now that's done. And do I have everything for that new rocket? I can remember. I was put this uranium back. And does it require some sort of rod? I can't remember what rod it requires. So let's head back and let's just double check if I have everything or not. Okay, it was the super rod. I knew I needed a super rod. I just got distracted with the rocket. Or confused with it, that is. So, let's grab 1 super rod. There we go. And now let's craft that rocket and let's get it up in the sky. And tier 2 map information rock crafted. And it's a beauty. That would make Elon proud. Right. Enough with these jokes. So let's head back up here and let's launch this puppy. Boom, there it goes. Launch away. And just enjoy this nice little view here. A beauty. And in theory, we technically wouldn't be alive being this close to a rocket launch, but hey, it's not realistic. So, anyways, what do we got to do next here? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So, tier 2 map visualization. Give us information access to what kind of organics are on the map. No new minerals. Darn. I was hoping for new minerals, but I can see some fish eggs out there. Some larvas. Bug larvas. Okay, so I guess our organic collectors collect those in those regions. And by the looks of it, there's really only one plant I can collect. That's mushrooms. So I might be able to cancel out my mushroom farms technically and just put organic collectors here. I wonder how that works. Okay, there might be something we gotta look into later on. I can't remember if I can craft that yet. Anyways, I guess I gotta spread my life collectors out because there's no need for 4 of them at base collecting the one type of fish egg. And there's these other variants of fish eggs out there I can collect. And that would save me a lot of time from going through the incubator. And okay. Okay, we got some uncommon larvae up there. Rare larvae to the south. Mushrooms there. Okay, so we Yeah, maybe it's worth it just to put that organic collector there and to cancel out the mushroom farm. We could use the mushroom, that farm for stuff like beans or whatever. Okay. Well, what do I need to do next now? Well, the thing is, there's so much to do that I just don't know what to do right off the bat. Yeah, I keep getting distracted with expanding my auto production, but hey, it is what it is. Anyways, let's drink some water and let's yeah, we'll spread out our life collectors right now. Why not? What do I need? Anyways, oh yeah, I had some birthday cakes under crafting, so we should check that out. First birthday cake, what? I can't eat it? Oh, it's a placeable item. Oh no, we don't want that under auto crafting. I can't eat it. Oh no, that's useless. Oh well, hey, let's place it down right there and let's cancel that production. And what am I going to do with these other birthday cakes? I think I better recycle them. Get the chocolate and the flour back from them. And it looks like the butterflies are all ready. It looks like it gave me the red ones, or pink ones that is. Very variant to that. So let's pull them out and let's re-roll them. It looks like I got a white one here. So yeah, unfortunately I got them already. So re-roll all these type of butterflies. Yeah, I'm hoping for, what is it, 5 more different type of butterflies. I don't think there's much different variants of the rare type, or I guess uncommon. I don't know what you call them. So let's get these birthday cakes all recycled so I can get my wheat and flour back. Well, flour and chocolate back. And I guess I got all this honey here too. So inventory's full. So let's drop this stuff off. Let's put the honey. Oh wait, honey chest is full. Oh no. What am I gonna do with all of this honey? Pretty sure our high grade food crafter would require it. Yeah, let's find a spot for this. Where is it? Flour. Okay, we could dump the flour off there, dump the chocolate there. Could use it for cookies. And this honey, I guess we'll just dump it in one of the beehives here. Oh, that one's full. So's that one. This one isn't full though, so let's place the honey in here. There we go. Perfect amount. Awesome. Now, okay. Pick the rest of this stuff up here. Just one flour. Might as well recycle these worms now. And the last one there. Let's pick everything up. And, oh wait, I'm missing a rare larva. Maybe something picked up. Okay. That doesn't hurt too much. I got lots of it in the chest. It's kind of annoying. It disappeared like that. Anyways, we'll just grab one from the chest here. And let's re-roll the 3 worms. And hopefully we'll get some different variants this time. And last one inserted. Let's get the research. There we go. So all 3 are researching for butterflies. Might as well drink some water and eat some food now. There we go. Let's head upstairs and let's drop this last flower off there. There we go. And let's check out what we can auto craft. Okay, pulsar quartz. That's not really doable in the moment because of this limited supply of osmium and zeolite. And aluminum is very struggling a lot. Fortunately, there's no easy way to get aluminum. Quick way, that is. Got lots of super alloys now. Whoa, what? Like before I didn't have enough. Now I got too much. Interesting. So, what else can we craft in these auto crafters? I don't want to turn on my rockets, but with there's too many supers, I might as well turn off the super auto crafter. And yeah, see anything else I could really craft. I guess we could, well, eventually we can craft fusion energy cells and sell it, but maybe selling circuit boards is the answer. Intact multiplier fuse, I would love to do that one, but I don't have that pink or that mollius flower, fortunately. Fuse cartridge, I don't want to autocraft that either because of crystals. Tier 1 drones, don't want to autocraft that because of the rocket situation. And the rocket situation is because of the iridium. Well, yes, I gotta get production fuse multipliers. Don't really have a choice. Well, what's our Well, unfortunately, credit situation is pretty low right now. Hopefully that changed with the smart fabric. But the problem with smart fabric, I don't know if I'm getting paid for that. Cookies? Yeah, I thought cookies would be doing a lot better now. Probably lacking the cocoa. Even though I expanded cocoa this recently. Still struggling. Got lots of flour though. Yeah, we're lacking cocoa. Let's put it on high priority. Just to get to the drones to really prioritize the chocolate. And wow, what to do here? Alright. Oh my goodness, look at all the fish eggs we have in these life collectors. Okay, so I guess that means I'm gonna have to craft another aquarium. But this is a new variant. So let's check our other life collectors here. Do we have the same type of fish eggs? Oh boy, yes, we do. So it's probably a good idea to put our trash chest in overflow of them. And okay, so it looks like we got more white butterfly larvas. And what is this one? Oh, another Linux. I actually think I need another one of those. So let's take that and let's put it into our little spare chest here. There we go. So we got two of that variant. And I guess we're gonna have to re-roll the white ones again. Maybe that's it for the rare variant. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that's gotta be it. Yeah, the Serenia. Maybe I should put the Serenia on this wall, but the fact is I know Serenia is just super rare. But it was awfully common down below. Anyways, let's grab out that's enough for another roll, and let's recycle these two worms and pick up everything. And I guess we gotta pick up another rare worm, and let's do another roll. And we might as well put these fish eggs into this overflow right now, so our life collectors can keep working. There, that's done. I mean, I might as well pick up a few here, so I have a couple spares. And it looks like A and B are pretty full, and C was just half full. And we might as well put these worms in for a reroll. I wish we can set up the drones to do this automatically. That would have been great. Now, yeah, I don't know if I have more variants really. Anyways, guess that's that then. Oh, let's drink and gather materials for another aquarium here. So I just need fertilizer, oxygen, super, and a circuit board. Okay, so that's easy enough. Let's grab enough for 2 more tanks down in the underbase. So, alright, so we got the super and circuit board. Now we just need the oxygen and the fertilizer. Let me in, gents, because we don't want the hulky fish. And there we go. So we got the materials for the aquarium, and I guess the butterflies are already done. Looks like we got another Linux, another green one, a white one, and another white one. Okay. I guess that's pretty clear then. We're not going to get any more different variants. So let's keep the Linux and we'll chuck the others. Why not? And let's put that variant in. Come on. Get the Linux in there for now. You can use them out in the farm, I guess. Alright, so let's head to the underbase. And I seem to forgot that I have a teleporter, so let's use that. To the underworld. Alright. So let's head over to our aquarium room and let's construct 2 aquariums. Where I'm gonna put it? I've got this open space right in the middle, so I might as well use that. Aquarium right there. 25 credits. Doesn't seem like our smart fabric is really selling. Okay, so let's put those fish in there, and I guess they are red. Oh, very pretty. Kind of looks very deadly too. They kind of look like piranhas, to be honest. I'll just imagine we're just growing piranhas and we can no longer swim in the water. Oh, that'll be scary. It'll be like Subnautica 3.0. All right, well, let's put that aquarium there, and yep, I think that'll look good. Now let's head up here, and all right, well, it looks like we got a couple butterfly domes empty, and what am I going to do with them? Am I going to just deconstruct them and go with the farms, or what should I do with these domes? The problem is I don't have enough of them, and I don't have enough space to really construct them down here because it's the underground. Okay. Yeah, so I decided let's put our common butterflies into these domes, the tier 1 domes, and then we'll put their variants out in the farms. Yeah, that seems like the better plan. I like that idea. Because I got about 5 domes. I can put 5 basic variants. Unfortunately, there is basic variants, but the sixth one is like a super, it's like a rare variant. So, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, so let's get all these larvas out now. We'll put just 2 of the same in each one. 2 last ones are empty. Yep, correct. All right, let's head back to up top base and go grab those larvas out right now. Alright, so let's grab the pink, 1 blue, 1 red, 1 galaxy, 1 panisi, and I guess we'll just, yeah, Basterius, we'll just leave here because that's the rare variant of the common. And we gotta do something about that heater, but I just don't have time to deal with it. Okay, so let's start with the blue. Yep, that looks nice. Now let's go to the pink, or let's go with red for the second one. Yeah, that looks pretty crimson. Now let's do pink there, and let's do the yellow, and last but least, let's do the galaxy. There we go. That looks nice. All butterfly domes are filled and in use, so we can focus on the farms after. Now, what do we need to do? I wonder what Tier 2 butterfly farms that require fabric. So how much fabric do I have? I probably don't have any. Yeah, that's the sucky part right now. We're making it all into smart fabric, but I don't think we're selling our smart fabric. So let's head to this rocket. Check this out. I'm actually surprised this one isn't filled and shipped out already. Yeah, I don't think I could sell smart fabric. Okay, so loading these rockets up with smart fabric was a mistake, and yeah. Yeah, but anyways, let's relocate our life collectors, and yeah, we'll get them relocated. And then we'll put them in the areas where there are different variants of fish eggs. So we got 2. Should I grab enough for a 3rd one? No, 4th one I mean, because I got 3 on me. I don't think I got enough space anyway. So let's head over to there and let's place our life collectors in them. Okay, so I think this is a good spot for one of the life collectors. So yeah, well, just find it, place it right there, and yeah, I wish it tells you what kind of I wish it tells you more than just that one information what I'm collecting here, but I can only make a guess. I'm getting that egg. So now let's head up to the crystal area to see what kind of fish eggs we get there. Yeah, kind of wonder. It looks like they're both of the same type of fish variants here. Pretty much, let's head there and let's see what we got. Alright, so I only have 2 more collectors, so I'm definitely going to put, I guess I'm going to put them over here. 1 in this river channel there, and then 1 in the Z-Light region spot. So yeah, let's head over there and let's quickly place them, and then probably gonna have to grab some more materials for some more life collectors. The problem with that is it requires silk, and silk is all getting converted to cloth at the moment. Alright, let's head there. Man, coming into this crystal valley is always breathtaking. And these trees here are massive. Alright, so where do we put it in this water? I don't think there's any lakes in that here, so I think the only lake is over by the spaceship up there. Kind of weird because these spaceships look fully intact, and we could in theory take off from them. You would think. Just have to grab fuel, or maybe there's something like maybe the gravitational force of the planet is too great to launch these shuttles off, or maybe there's a security lock feature. Who knows? It'd be interesting if what the devs flesh out in the lore about them. Okay, so yeah, let's put a life collector in this river channel here just before this waterfall, and I think this would be a good spot for it. So let's just slap it down right here. Where's the water life collector? Right there. And let's make sure we always put this in a supply of everything. There we go. And now let's head over to Z-Light. Well, let's drink some water first before I forgot to do that. Wouldn't be the first. Alright, so yeah, let's to the Z-Light region and we'll slap another life collector down there. Alright, so where is the water source for the Z-Light region here? Let's check out this outpost. Let's see what's in here. We've got fruit seeds, ice, flower seeds. Okay, so we'll just put it all in this one chest here. And so we just have 2 empty chests for future use. And yeah. Okay, so there's a little bit of water over there. Maybe it's that spot. So we'll put a life collector there. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some osmium here. Might as well gather that up. Oh, this is the golden tree. Alright, I think, I can't remember if I found my golden butterfly here or not. I probably did. No, I didn't. But I wonder if there's any golden butterfly larvas that spawn here. It'd be kind of interesting if there was, because I could use more larvae. Alright, so let's slap it right there. Put water life collector there. Oh, we just got a new fish egg. Species unlocked. Alright, that we can research. And I'm just gonna look around here for a while and see what kind of larva spawns here, because I never really had any luck here in this spot. Alright, well, let's just look around for a bit. Okay, after wandering around for some time, not very much larva actually spawned around here. It must be just my luck for that. The only larva was just a common larva and one uncommon, but yeah, it's been having extremely bad luck. So let's head back to the underground base, and I guess we'll teleport back to the main base from there. Back at main base, so what do we have here? Might as well put the one fish egg in there, and oh nice, it's a green fishies. Okay, so that's what that variant was. And yeah, we're starting to start a little collection here. We're gonna have to definitely craft some more aquariums. Maybe we should put the aquarium on the 2nd level. That might be a thing. Alright, back at main base now. And what do I need to do next? I need to get some more fish collectors. It looks like I need either 2 or 3 more. I think it's 2, but I need more silk for life collectors. So let's see how there is any silk to grab here. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have any. Okay, so let's turn off our fabric crafting so at least we can get some silk banked up here. And yeah, I think in the back there's none either. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait on silk before we can do anything else. So let's get these blueprints I picked up on the way back into there. And let's see what kind of other stuff we have in here. Butterfly, not too much. Yeah, I might as well have like a little bit of reserve of fish eggs, so if I get a tier 2 aquarium and that, I can just stick them in there. And yeah, I think I do something about these seeds. And it looks like my seed chest is full. Oh my goodness. Okay, I guess let's craft some more flower pots. Put out the different various flower pots. So let's get some magnesium, cobalt. And what else do I need? Fertilizer. There we go. And we should be able to craft 3 more flower pots. Right here, there, and there. Now it'll probably look pretty decent. Now we just need to grab these flowers and put them over in these pots. Okay, so need a sepia, and what was the other one? I can't remember. I can't remember the first letter though. Okay, so and that one, this, and then we gotta look for sepia. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's the one. So let's grab that and let's put them out. All right, this one goes there, and yep, it was definitely that one. And I already have the Sheila in there, and I'm probably butchering these pronunciations like crazy. Anyways, let's put the last one there, and we should probably do the same on the other side of the wall for our display of fishes, but let's leave that alone for now. It's just, like I said, too much to do and not enough time to do it. Alright, so what can I do with these extra resources I have on me? Let's put the osmium there, because we need it. Lots of aluminum, and alright, we'll just chuck it. I have no need for it. Okay, and doesn't look like we got any more fish eggs coming in. So we'll probably just recycle these right now, so opens up some slots for the drones to work. And we got to figure out what to craft out next. Alright, so let's get the other fish variants under demand here. So the drones start carrying them over from the life collectors. I'm not too sure which ones are they exactly, so let's just get them all in. I don't think I'm gonna put demand for the golden ones. That would be a huge mistake if I lose a goldfish. Goobay. I think those last three are super rare, so we'll just leave those alone. And yeah, we just wait here and wait for the drones to bring fishes, and we just get these variants into extra variants into the chest here. Might as well put the constructor to disable on auto, and I guess we just disable all the minerals for this one. So we just dedicate that one just to organics. And let's drink some more water. And yeah, I don't know if I should keep that there, but for now we'll keep it there just for cosmetics. And let's check out our biomass. So it looks like we're a little bit ways away from tier 2 aquariums. Got most of the fish eggs unlocked. A little ways away from frog eggs, that's okay. I mean, I need more time with fish anyways. And yeah, the animals is going up quite nicely. Vehicle logistics. Oh, that must be the attachment to allow drones to unload the vehicle. Fish farm, fish display. Okay. All those would be nice now. We don't need to work on the hallway for the fish display. But the genetics extractor, I should craft that. That's probably going to help out. Well, it's going to allow us to break down some of these stuff with genetics. Yeah, that's definitely something to put into our lab. I don't really see any point of having that incubator there anymore, so we'll just replace that incubator with the genetic extractor, which I have everything for. So just a blue, pink, yellow crystals, a rod, a circuit board, and tier 3 meat engine. Okay, let's grab all that stuff. Alright, so blue, pink, and yellow. There's the crystals. We got lots of them. And we need a circuit board, a rod, osmium rod specifically, and we need a tier 3 mutagen. Alright, let's head back to lab storage, grab the mutagen. There we go. Now let's get rid of the incubator. Let's put the gene extractor right about here, right in the corner. I think that'll look good. Plus it'll give us a little bit of space walking around. Yeah, I think that looks good there. Just make sure there's no back screen. Yep. And it looks like we can break down all these insects, flowers, oh, even crystals. Okay. Oh, it seems like they added more to this than the original version. Oh, interesting. Cool. I can even break down fish eggs, frog eggs, and the worms too. Oh, that's good. Alright, so let's get some spare fishes out. I'm thinking about 2. You know what? Let's do 4 of each. Yeah. Got 4 spares of each. That way, if I can put them in the aquarium and I still have spares. People, we'll take that one. Let's might as well put these in the chest now. Alright, we're thirsty, so drink some water. And yeah, I seem to forgot to disable the smart fabric, so let's cancel that. Let's pull out the smart fabric now. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting any money for it, and the amount of credits that I was supposed to get from them was really low. So let's cancel the smart fabric on the ship out. Let's pull the rest out and let's recycle that. And yeah, that's kind of surprising. The smart fabric is not on the sellables. I might just sell circuits instead. Fusion cells, I can't afford to do that one because of pulsar quartz. I just need to up my zeolite and osmium like crazies for that. Okay, so let's put a demand for circuit boards wherever it is. Boards, where are you? There you are. And yeah, we'll start selling those. And the drones are already loading them up. I think we'll be okay with circuit boards. Plus we'll put a demand in for the super alloys, which I have a surplus of. And let's see here. Yeah, we got a lot of smart fabric, awesome. So let's just recycle the rest of these. And the last one, alright. Now let's pick this all up and let's put it all away. It looks like that's all of it. Alright. Alright, so let's drink some water. Let's put the fabric into here. Okay, circuit boards are full. Alright. Okay, I guess we'll put it out in the rocket. Might as well. And get it launched. Back to enable for auto launch. Here we go. Put the other circuit boards into there, and we should get a big payout. Well, decent payout. Not a big one. Just larger than usual. And yeah, let's get this other rocket launched right away. Load up with circuits. There we go. Load it up there. Awesome. Now, okay, what do I need to do now? Probably should ramp everything up for circuit boards. Should I put cookies in here? I put demand for cookies. Okay. Where's the cookies? Yep, there they are. Put in high demand. And can we put supply cookies? Oh, darn it. Okay. Well, that's kind of annoying. You know, you can't put a demand and a supply of the same product. It would be kind of nice to do that. Just have extra storage for like overflow, but it looks like we don't really need it for the cookies anyways, because we're just lacking on cocoa. Yeah, we're lacking in cocoa. Lots of flour though. Well, it looks like the drones are working on the farms there too, so yeah, we might get an influx. Yeah, looks like they're bringing some cocoa in now. All right, it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it at the moment, besides expanding the farms. No, I always seem to get sidetracked with expanding farms. Alright, let's check if we have any fish variants in here that I need. That's just the one, I think. Yeah, I just need one more of that Tibolo. Awesome, so that's 4 of that. The other ones I don't seem to be pulling in. I wonder why. Let's just empty out the container there so they bring more back. There we go. We got 4 of each of those now. Circuit boards are kind of falling behind already. Okay, what? We'll just double check the circuit boards. Is it producing every round, or are we lacking stuff? Okay, it looks like we're lacking some stuff. What it requires? Oh, it might be the Z-Light. I might have to expand the Z-Light for production. I don't know. Let's check that out really quickly. Aluminum is good. Okay. Yep, it's a Z-Light. So I'm gonna have to make another ore extractor for that. How expensive is the ore extractor? Where is it? Okay, 3 osmium, 1 super, and 2 iridium. Do I have the osmium? Oh, just perfect. 3. Awesome. Now let's get the super rod and 2 iridium rods. Is it 1 or 2? I can't remember. I think it was 2. Yeah, 2. So we'll grab one more. Awesome. So let's go and place it out and grab some food, because we're almost out of food, and I guess we'll drink some water too, but to quickly check this and get rid of this extra stuff on me that I don't need. Got another escabeer egg. So let's put that in here. There we go. Now, what can I do with this oxygen? Yeah, I think I just might as well. Let's drink some water now. And let's head over to Z-Light in that direction. Okay. But before we head there, let's check if we have the silk ready for our life collectors, because you might as well knock two fish out of the water for that. Well, might as well. How's that phase go? Might as well knock 2 birds with 1 stone. There we go. That's the phase. Now let's turn on the fabric generator on, and let's grab the materials for some water life collectors. So this looks like we need bioplastic and super. Now, where's my bioplastic? I can't remember where I put it. Must be over here. Yeah, right there. Okay. They take about 2 each, yeah. And just 2 supers, and now we're good. Alright, let's head over there. Let's create another ore collector and a couple of light collectors. Wouldn't it be awesome if I could just craft a pick and get some zeolite just off those big massive crystals? I mean, it kind of makes logically sense if it could. So, alright, here's our ore collector for the zeolite. So let's place another 2 to wherever it is. There it is, right there. And let's make sure we put supply to everything. So always remember to do that. And yep, the drones are pulling everything off, so we're good. Now, the life collector. I don't think I'm getting one of these fish eggs. I'm definitely getting the red one, but the other one I'm not getting. I'm not too sure if I'm getting 2 or 1. I think I'm only getting 1 of them though. So let's put a collector over here, I guess. Here? No, that's too far. Okay. Maybe I should put a life collector in every different water in every region. Because there might be some secret stuff around. Cave system here is pretty insane. Okay. Pretty too. Ice in this weird type of plant growth. Usually the more the beautiful the item is, the more poisonous it is. Do I have this for supply of everything? Yes, I do. Alright. I guess I gotta set up a chest for ice. Something to do in the future, but I see some cosmic quartz. Alright, let's gather that up. That's super rare and use all the quartz I can get right now. Now I definitely want to put a life collector down there. So yeah, let's glide down there. Oh, 367 Terra tokens. Very nice. And this is probably the perfect spot to put collector. Yeah, let's put it right there. And let's get the supply of everything. Lovely. Alright, looks like there's a little bit of a void behind that waterfall, so let's go check that out. You know, every game there's something always behind the waterfall, and it's super dark. Okay, let's turn on the light. And yep, there's a chest. Okay, we've got some basic stuff. That was pretty underwhelming. I thought there'd be more than that behind here. Well, is there a cave system? Nope. Alright, maybe under the waterfall? Nothing. Rats. Okay. Well, that was very underwhelming. Maybe I already looted it. I can't remember. But yeah, always check behind the waterfalls. There's always a surprise behind it. But in this case, it was very underwhelming. Alright, let's head up over here and let's climb up that vine to get back up top. Might as well drink some water while we're at it. And there is a lovely vine. Look around here. Alright, let's climb. Alright, let's head back to base, and I guess we might as well check out the farm system here. Yeah, it looks pretty healthy. It looks like drones are harvesting. So I need 4 more farm plots for cocoa to fill out that role. So maybe that's something we gotta do eventually pretty soon. Anyways, let's head back to base. I should probably upgrade these tree spreaders to tier 3. Let's just double check this. Is this tier 3? Yes, it is. Alright. So I know I got some tier 1s out and about. And it'd be kind of nice just to go around and get them all up to tier 3. And I'm not too sure if I'm collecting that one fish species, but I guess let's check here. So yeah, we're getting to Pravus. I guess the red variant. The Tiblo. Okay. And then by Uyu, which is right beside us. Alright. So let's take out the Pravus and let's put those over in the uncommon chest for now, just to hold it. And let's just check all the setters. Alright. Let's cut down the supply to the ones that are out there, because I don't want them to accidentally grab some other fish eggs that realistically that are rare and accidentally put them in here for auto destruction. So let's clean this up. Alright, so let's see here. We got butterflies looking nice. I really like the butterfly wall. And just check out on these stuff. I gotta hit this quartz and process in. Oh no, I'm dying. Food, where are you? There you are. Whoops, they almost caught me again. And yeah, I guess I gotta put that last water life collector out. I don't think I'm getting that fish egg. I'm not seeing it coming in at all. So yeah, what variant I don't have. Okay, I'm definitely getting the red one. Yeah, I'm getting that one. But the other one, I don't think I'm getting. Let's head over there and let's put the last life collector out there. Is this tier 3 too? Yeah, that's a tier 3 spreader. I think I have about 4 tier 1 tree spreaders out here. I need to upgrade to tier 3. We should get on that. I'll relocate them into blank spots like this, just to spice things up a little bit. Oh, let's drink some more water. And I guess we'll just put the life collector in here. Not bad. Seems to be right on point. Yet again, I wish it shows what fish eggs I'm getting. Alright, let's head back in this direction and let's check out this outpost. I don't think I have this on supply. Might as well do it. Yeah, got some good stuff in there that we definitely want to pull out. So let's do that right now. Uranium and aluminum. Could have used that stuff a lot earlier too. And I think I cracked most of these gems open. Either all or most. Check over here quickly. I don't think there's anything really here yet. And there's nothing up top. And I think I already got the cosmic quartz from up top. Yeah, I did. It would probably be worth to look at a interactive map to see where all the cosmic quartz are. If, yeah, I'm kind of curious if someone actually mapped them all out. I would see no reason not to. Oh, there's a outpost here. So let's just double check if I got this on supply. Doesn't look like it. Alright, set all that up. Awesome. And I guess just head over here. I think I have another tier 1 tree spreader up here. But let me see it. Where is it? I might have already pulled it out. I can't remember. Yeah, alright. Let's pull this tree seed out of this food chest. And let's just check if there's any more seeds I can put out. Doesn't look like it. Alright. So let's put all this extra flower seeds in here. Keep those for the genetic breakdown, and might as well put the extra food seeds in there. Let's put this one piece of iron in there. Might as well. And let's grab enough for some more tree spreaders. I think I need Z-light. The problem is I'm lacking Z-light. Darn it. 1 Z-light per spreader. Okay, well, let's grab enough for 4 spreaders. And hopefully Z-light will come in while I'm gathering up all these materials. Bacteria samples. Tier 2 fertilizer. Takes 2 per. So that's what for. I need 8 of them. And let's see if any Z-light has come in. Oh, come on now. Okay, I can either wait for it or I can go get it myself. Well, we might as well get this one on auto-destruct. And see if any Z-light's back yet. I see all these drums coming in, so they gotta have some Z-light at least, I think. We got 1 finally. That's just enough for 1 spreader. I need 3 more. Well, I guess let's go gather it up ourselves, because I know where to find it. Well, we might as well deconstruct one of these out right now. And see what materials we get back. Alright, we didn't get a Z-light out of that. So definitely do have to gather some Z-light myself. But I might as well make 1 tree spreader over here. Why not? Nice big blank open space here. I think it'll look pretty pretty. I'll think about it. Yeah, we've got to have Z-light first. Alright, I think I cleared the Z-light out of this outcrop cave here. Yes, I did. Nothing in there. Alright, that's expected. Oh, that cave there. I don't think I touched that one yet. And I was correct. Alright, we got some Z-light here. So let's gather this up. Oh, there's some super too. Might as well take it. And, oh, inventory for, whoops. Okay. I gotta do something about that. So let's put a tree spreader, well, in the Z-light region. I think a tree spreader here will look kind of nice. Yeah, why not? Let's put 1 here. Now open up our inventory a little bit for more Z-light. And right there. Now, what seed are we going to use? Let's use that seed. Why not? Okay. Now let's go and gather up some more Z-light for other tree spreaders we're going to need. That's 3. Let's not get too greedy and ignore the super. And we got some osmium in here too. And yeah, I just got 2 more slots that are open. Okay. And I just need 4 Z-light for 4 more. Oh, well, let's take this Z-light. Let's take this other one over here and not get too greedy. Okay, let's head back up and let's make some more tree spreaders. Oh, we've got a nice open space here, so let's put a seed here. Yeah, let's put the gold tree here. Yeah, that'll look nice. And let's go and deconstruct these other tree spreaders. There's one right there. Alright, let's go grab that one. And let's put it over a tree spreader over here. Yeah, that's a nice open spot. Perfect for trees, I think. Let's put that seed in there. And there is another one right behind us too. So let's go and grab that one. Or should I grab that one over there first? Yeah, let's grab this one. Move the blue trees. Way on top of the hill, right beside this zone. No point in having trees inside of this mushroom area. It gets too clustered. Yeah, we'll just put the spreader up here. Nice bare spot here. Yeah, it'll look nice there. There we go. And let's grab that spreader there. Do I have enough? Yeah. Wait a minute, I don't have the fertilizer. Oh no. I only had enough for 3? No, I did put 4 out. Oh, there was 5 over here. Oops. I miscounted. Yikes. Okay, well, let's deconstruct and take the seed now. We'll put the seed somewhere else. We got quite a bit of spreaders here. I think that's good enough for this zone. Alright, so let's head back to base and let's get some more fertilizer. And we might as well drink some water before we return. Alright, we returned. Honey, I'm home. Great. Oh, that was a great movie. The Shining. Alright, what grab a couple of tier 2 fertilizers. And let's go and construct another spreader, but let's check up on our organic situation here. Oh, so we got Galbia fish egg. Okay, so that one's definitely new, so let's grab that. So the fish egg that was down below was a Galbia, not a golden. So let's disable golden fish eggs. And this thing is so buggy sometimes. Oh, it's so annoying. Come on, they pop up. Come on now. There we go. Oh, right. Disable. Alright, let's put this fish egg in here, because I'm going to need that. And I guess we got to get rid of this other stuff here quickly. Now let's go construct another tree spreader. Maybe we should put it up over here. Not in the sulfur zone, just on the outside, on the other side would be kind of nice. Right about here wouldn't be bad. This is pretty bare. Tree spreaders in here. Yeah, it does be kind of pretty looking. Let's do that. There's a tier 3. Plop it down right there. Let's put that tree seed right there. Bring some life to this alley. Alright, so I think that was it for the tier 1 tree spreaders. Maybe there's one more I missed. I can't remember. Well, let's head back and let's just double check the sulfur region. I think there is one more. And there is. Okay. Alright, let's grab that right now before I forget. That was that tree. Alright. Of course, I'm going to have to head back and grab more fertilizer for that one. And I think I'm going to put this one over up at the lava region. Alright. Here's the tier 2 fertilizer. Now, just gotta get rid of this other stuff I don't need. Got more terra tokens. Very nice. And let's head up over here and let's go place this last tree. Might as well check our credit situation right now. Okay, so we're sitting on about 4,600. It's going up quite nicely. I can't complain about that now. So let's head up here and let's get this tree seed down. Oh, tree spreader actually. And we'll put it right here. This is a nice open bare spot right here. And insert that seed. Kind of out of the way too. So it's not going to interfere with our rover. And yeah, let's head back to base. Well folks, I guess this is a good spot to call it. So we got all our tree spreaders upgraded to tier 3, so yeah, that's not bad. So yeah, if you like the content, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And hey, if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments. I read them all and always much appreciated. Well, we are sitting at 72% 2 frogs. Not bad. So have a good day, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.